Here we are, in the morning. Julia's had the first shower of the holiday.
Sunny day.
Sunny at the moment. Chipped down last night. Waiting for the others to get up so that we can go into NEWQUAY. Then we go into NEWQUAY. Lots of drinking.
Chris and Mike.
Hi.
Hello.
I'm going to have to borrow this if that's alright.
Why?
Nathan's blanket's wet.
I noticed that broadcast.
What are you borrowing?
The washing line.
Here you go.
I'm supposed to enter.
Hey, he's a fucking wanker. He's a wanker, wanker, wank. What the fuck was that? Kids are watching this, god damn it. Ah!
Get that in 3D.
How you doing, Dick?
I'm all up there.
My fucking case.
And stuff.
I've washed it. I was worried though, like the would just go off pretty quick.
Does it?
Yeah.
How?
I was thinking it was only 5 minutes, and then I was like halfway. I had shampoo still in my hair. I was like, shit, what am I doing? But if you wait a minute, you can hit your button again,
Yeah.
and it'll come back on. But you do have to wait. You just stand there, because for that time I was like, I nearly thought I'd have to move over.
I want it to be very quick.
Why can't Nathan just have a sleeping? You know, something more. Don't have a monstrosity that way.
He's bitching about
Bitching about neighbour, are ya?
Hey.
Hey?
On cam.
I'm sorry, but it's like, it's a blanket. Oh, you're filming? Good, Nathan, your blanket's shit.
It's been
How come it was outside? Couldn't you have left it in the tent?
I left it in the porch, but I didn't realise the porch wasn't waterproof, so...
Porch is waterproof, it just blew away. I repegged it for you while you was asleep.
Well, when it
Oh,
rained
it's a good
earlier,
one,
it got soaked.
the bloody good.
Didn't even notice him tapping away.
I was out of it.
I was going to say, I was knackered, mate. I thought that was the best sleep I've had in a while.
That's good.
Does help when you're not shitting yourself constantly.
It was a nice night of non-shitting.
What a bonus when you don't shit yourself.
It is, isn't it? It's a real bonus.
Brings
You
a
got out of bed,
smile
you know,
to
you're
your
just sitting there
face.
like a little girl.
You done, Michael? You done?
I'm waiting for an answer.
I'm going with the wet t-shirt look today.
Oh, it's the dry, wet t-shirt.
Brave, very brave.
In all
Looks
good
soaked.
stuff.
Genuinely looks like you left it outside accidentally last
It's
night.
fashionable.
It's not fashionable at all. Just looks like you sweat a lot, you moron.
That's the idea.
Yeah, so people think I do exercise.
Right, we're in the car,
Sure, boy.
ready to go. Look, they're all in the back. Oh.
I feel so fucking
Sunglass brothers there, wherever he is. Seriously, what's going on?
I'm going to NEWQUAY. We're going to get some food at Wetherspoons, have a look round.
See you campsite.
Trying to be good cop.
It's very windy today.
You be good cop.
It's a bit windy, we just eaten. Very nice. We're just going to look in some shops. Find him a couple.
Him has a name. Him.
Charles. You know him. Lots of pastries. This is where we were yesterday. Welcome to the Sailor's Arms. Here's the Sailor's Arms roof. We walked all the way around NEWQUAY, it feels like today. So, we're in the Sailor's Arms.
Sailor's Arms.
Hello.
These two went here last time and had the 2-for-1 cocktails.
Good deal.
And we're getting some later, aren't we? Look at the prettiest.
And yeah, it was great.
Does this place turn into like a nightclub or something?
There's a nightclub next door, but this place, this area here turns quite lively.
Yeah, this
Okay.
live performance just over there.
It
I
was
did
when we
see a bouncer, so... We're looking at.
We should.
I think I want the burrito.
Your move. Good move.
He's black slowly. Yeah, slowly here. To the point where he's going to look like he's got a dirty fingernail.
A little bit of red. A little bit of red.
Nasty ass black thumb. Now tell the camera how you did it, Mike.
You don't know? Do you not know I did this?
Not this side.
Well, basically, I didn't realise my thumb was in the way when the door closes, and I closed the door and my thumb was there, and yeah,
Who does that?
the rest is history, and I started cursing.
a door on his own song.
In the gap.
Yeah, not actually like shutting the door on it. Like the gap when you open a door, like where the hinges are, he had his thumb in there, and he closed the door. Was he stuck in that gap?
This guy.
People who work 10-hour shifts a day and are knackered out their brains.
Can I just say, I work 10-hour shifts? Never done that.
Yeah, whatever. You've done something. You just ain't told us. What was it? What was it, Charles? Go on. I've admitted my embarrassing moment on camera. What's yours?
I had a gay dream. Okay. Happened once.
We did not need to
It's
have
on
that.
camera.
The intro.
Gay dreams. This guy. He's turning.
Right, we're here in the sailor's arm, and Julia is going to eat the centre of that. Oh, our porn stars are here, courtesy of Michael Davis.
You're welcome.
Cheers to the porn stars, Mike. Don't mind if I do.
This is my favourite.
But back to our original. Julia is going to eat the centre of that lemon live on camera for you guys.
Apologise. That's on camera too. I apologise. I love you, though.
I said you had to bite it.
What? Like actually do it?
Take a chunk out.
Is that enough?
I suppose.
I don't think we'll get engaged yet. There's a lot going on, you know, jobs and...
Why do you need Chris?
I need him to verify that the Joanna Rooney lady's here.
Oh, right, okay.
She's just got up and walked off.
Oh, bloody hell. I was going to say, I was going to see if we could get her on film, but...
I swear it's her.
Slow burners here, right? You're burning paper, it's cool down. Good show.
Any gorgeous?
Do you know what? Chavoy looks good today.
Anything gorgeous?
Chavoy made a bit of effort. Watching his life.
That's good. Yeah, that was a good idea.
Did it get my eyes posted?
I don't know.
I went like,
Look at him wearing sunglasses
oh
indoors.
my god, scared the life out of me. I thought he was going to do something about, let's look at like what Michael and Chris have left behind or something. I didn't know Michael was actually there. Sorry, you made me jump.
I think we gave Richard a heart attack.
Who's going to give me mouth to mouth? It's a shame there's 2 foot ladies there. They could have both had guys.
Where's your cocktail?
Chris getting them.
He's going to carry all 4.
No, they only having 2.
Yeah, exactly. I don't want him. He can carry 2.
See, you weren't that long though. You came pretty much.
Was there no queue?
The queue was pretty short here, so we went more or less straight away.
Everybody dance now.
Bam, 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 bam.
It's great. You get around before people hand over when you're
Woman
ready
me
to
and
get
Chris saw walking around town 3 times yesterday.
You think she's here
Here
tonight?
tonight.
What are you going to do about it?
Nothing. I just need to tell Chris. Chris. Jordan. Jordan.
Is it?
She's not there. If she comes back, I'll let you know.
I was going for her.
Has he gone to scout for Joanna Lumley?
Go on, Chris.
Oh no, he's got.
You tested it.
Because she's absolutely fabulous. She's absolutely fabulous.